Hi, Jay Silver with Helicon. I'm excited to do a demonstration for you by mixing our two-part structural polyurethane foam into this clear cup so you can see the product up close, expanding and reacting, and how quick it is. This is the same structural foam that we use out in the field. You may have seen videos of us lifting concrete driveways, sidewalks, pool patio areas, as well as interior slabs of homes, businesses, and warehouses. Homeowners and businesses absolutely love this product. One, because it saves time, money, it's non-invasive, and you avoid having to rip out and replace concrete, which is also not green friendly. And by the way, the product is green friendly. So we're gonna go ahead and mix some up here shortly to show you that reaction. Some common questions I get is, how much will the product lift? It lifts actually 10,000 pounds in a non-confined space. In a confined space, that skyrockets. We've lifted 100,000 pound storage tanks, thick 1-foot slabs in warehouses. So it's got the power and the strength to really lift anything. And it expands about 20 times the expansion rate. It is a polyurethane, so people wonder, how long will it last? Well, you figure why your parents always tell you don't litter and throw plastic, because it's not biodegradable and it will probably be there for the next 100 years. So it lasts 100 plus years. People love it because of the quickness, the non-invasiveness. You can imagine you just poured your new driveway a few years ago, and all of a sudden a slab is settling in the driveway, or your pool patio area is settling, or the interior home is settling. We also inject it around the outside or the foundation. And you're wondering, well, why does that happen, Jay, in Florida? The shallow soils from 0 to 10 feet are typically the problem zone soils. They're weak, they're loose, it's sandy soil. During construction, sometimes things aren't compacted enough. So you can imagine that new driveway I mentioned you poured just 3 years ago, you just have a section that's settled down. And you want a solution that's gonna be quick, non-invasive, you're gonna be able to drive upon it in 15 minutes. Versus the alternative, imagine you're ripping all that concrete out, you gotta wait for the concrete to cure. This, you're driving back on it that afternoon from the day that we come out. Same as your pool patio area, depending on the area. You're not having to be impacted. You can enjoy your pool during the summer if you did have some settlement on the back patio or slab. And businesses love it because they don't like downtime and the time of having to wait to be back uninterrupted into their business. So we'll go ahead and show you how quick the reaction is. So we just pour in the A and the B side, and kind of zero in and watch. Again, not only I keep saying how fast it is, but watch the expansion. You saw how tiny bit at the bottom of the cup. And we have project consultants that come out that have been trained by our ongoing training internally, as well as our engineering partners. So they're able to design the best solution for your particular project. We also are a full service geotech, so we not only do the poly structural foam, but underpinning, helical piles, compaction grouting. But you can see here already where it's starting to tack up and to harden. And it's already able to touch it without it sticking onto my finger. And if you are a homeowner or a business that is having settlement to your concrete around your home, please reach out to us. Happy to come out, do a free consultation, inspection, and give you the best solutions to get you and your family back on solid ground.